Indian Railways plans to conduct trial runs of short-distance Vande Metro trains starting July, aiming to serve 124 cities with distances of 100 to 150 kilometers, facilitating urban and satellite city connectivity on existing tracks. These trains, featuring 12 coaches and spacious automatic doors, will cater to unreserved passengers for daily commuting. Routes like Lucknow Kanpur, Agra Mathura, and Tirupati Chennai are identified. The railways may expand the number of coaches based on demand. Additionally, trials for long-distance Vande sleeper trains are slated for early next month. Furthermore, Indian Railways targets operating 50 push-pull Amrit Bharat trains this fiscal, with plans for a redesigned version by 2026.